Amazing soul family, how are you guys doing? I welcome you to Soul Tarot. So I'm going to do this reading for someone who's on the journey. So it's a twin flame, soulmate kind of energy, okay? And whenever you watch the reading, whenever the title attracts you, there's always something that's reading for you. So parables linked, right? To the cards that we'll pull out after pulling the romance angels, we'll get to know exactly where the reading is going, right? And let's see what do we need to see as we dive in and surrender to the light. Thank you, Michael Gabriel, Blueberry, Christian Street, for being here. Shows the messages that touch the person watching and influence the life and serve the purpose, okay, for the one watching. Just a heads up, tarot is not about like pictorial cards. It's more to do with that, okay? And it's initiated well. So when it's initiated well, and the reader is able to help you uncover all that you need to see on the path, that is where the job is well done, right? So there are many readers. If this doesn't resonate, of course there are many others for you out there. Connect with the energy. And if it does resonate, do like and subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Okay, I send you some love and light. And diving in now. What do we need to see, Michael, for the one watching? We don't do reversals on the channel, and just the energies we'll talk about. So you could be a divine masculine or a divine feminine. Just balance it all out for you. Release your ex, baby. The time has come to clear your energy. Interesting. In the past, what do we have in the core? Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. That's in the now. What's in the future? Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. It's very clear. What is the advice for it? What is the advice, Michael, that we need to see? It's so clear. I don't even need a clarifier right now. It's so clear to me. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. I think some of you here, divine feminine energy, it is really about you feeling stuck, okay, and you're not able to release your past. Something that happened in the past that did not feel great and good, okay. Now is the time the spirit is urging you to clear the energy. They're saying that, it is important to let go of the one who did not serve the highest good. You could see the red signs, but somehow that person did not understand it. Currently, the one you are with, if you are with somebody or you're attracting that kind of energy, they're saying that it is going to ascend to a higher level of commitment. It is already ascending. The one you are with currently, dating, that's like in the moment now, like you dealing with that person. That person will help you get over this ex as well, because that person is going to bring you so much of love and life that you can't even imagine. So it's not just one person or group that impacts, right? It is the whole experience that leaves that imprint on your heart or on your mind that you're not able to think positive. But that's what the future holds for you, that they say that stay positive about it, and your positive thinking and your faith is going to bring about the outcome that you're so looking for. And that is what the spirit is saying, that give love to the one who offers you that, okay. Give love to the one who tells you that they're available for you emotionally, because what else can you give the other person? What can you offer? You cannot offer a person money and please the person that way. You cannot offer the person like all the materialistic engagements and say, what, this is how I show my love. They are not something that you're looking for. This is about emotional wellness. This is about finally saying, what, I don't want to repeat those patterns and signs and things because they're not serving me, because they drain me. and you have felt the hurt, the pain in the past. So I'm going to clarify this for you. Let's clarify your past first. Yep, let's clarify the past. I'm going to use the lights here. Yeah. So lovelies, with the lights here, I will not. No, but they're telling me to sort of, just pull it. So, see, spirit keeps talking, and when I do this, I see 1717. So it is that time. It is the time of that twin flame. It is definitely a strong connection with a bigger purpose in place, and possibly you don't have that certainty yet because you feel stuck, and you. It's like you wanted something cool, metallic, all that, and this person sort of is a little different that you're dealing with right now. Okay, red or green is something which would be appealing to you, or the one you're asking or thinking about. They like you seeing in red or greens, and greens definitely Jupiter plane is amazing currently. So let's clarify, release your ex first. So the zodiac that comes out, I'll definitely talk about that, and even the time if that pops. Could be a Leo we're asking about. Strength, my love. It is to do, like I said, you're still fighting it. You're really fighting it. You don't need to fight it. Why are you fighting it? It's probably you repeating the pattern that you don't need to. You fall for wrong things in life. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't give the heart to the one who doesn't value it. Please don't do that. I would just say that. The wet cloud, a filled cloud, will fall down, right? Will definitely fall down, will break up, explode, and fall down. With the Eight of Pentacles, we've seen all that. You don't have to be in the energy. You need to be light. You are very much in that zone where you don't know what to do, how to do it. You're confused. You're really, really confused with the Two of Swords. You are at a crossroad. Maybe you have choices here in love. There could be a divine masculine who's got a choice. With two people in question, there's a very strong possibility about that. Okay, and sorry, and for some, I think you just need to end it. Just end it, because this person here is not going to offer you what you so want. You have to release your ex, because this person makes you feel drained. This person takes away all the strength. This person is very controlling. I think this person does things basis his or her whims and fancies. Please don't. I'm just saying, okay, whoever is resonating, this was something, like I said, this is a past energy which is playing. So the idea is that you need to clear your energy, do the cleansing, clear your aura, so that you can be very happy about it. So with the engagement in the now, what is it that you did? What do you have right now in your hand? The one you're with is very caring. The one you're with is very lovable. The one you're with is very nurturing. The one you're with is probably slightly older to you, possibly, but that person really, really cares for you. You just need to see that. Maybe you're not seeing that right now. Could be a Cancer, Queen of Cups, very nurturing energy that you are with right now. Could be a Water. But again, as I said, make sure that you connect with the source. Sit down, see the pros and cons, understand. Because this is not like social media, like today I'm on Twitter, tomorrow I'm on LinkedIn, third day I'm on Instagram. No, you can't swing in two boats. You can't have this and that too. Definitely there's a choice here that is making you hung up. You like something about the ex and something about the one you are with, but just be very clear as to what you want, what you really want, because this is not going to take you anywhere. You are already with a person who is giving you all that, and this is ascending. They are ready to offer you all that you so deserve, but probably you don't see it as of now, but maybe you will. And I so hope that you do. And in the future, this is stay optimistic about your love life, because there is a possibility that you stay confused here for some time. There is a possibility. So this could be a divine masculine having a choice with two people. This could be a feminine energy having a choice. Page of Wands, absolutely correct. There is an Aries. There's a Leo definitely. There's a Cancer definitely, and there is Taurus in the mix. So you just have to explore it. You need to have those heart to heart conversations. You need to get to know each other better, so that you can understand each other more and not judge. Stay inspired, because Venus is like guiding you through, it's taking you through. It's telling you that, yeah, it's telling you with the Aquarian energy that we have here, it is telling you that your prayers have been answered finally. And Hermit energy is really about you finally getting it in the head clearly and saying, what, I see it for the way it is. I am optimistic, probably, because that is what the spirit is advising. See, if you actually, let me just put this. If you see this and this here, I can't help. But this is a big circle here, and the sword coming down, like it's getting clear. And here, if you see, the light is exuberating from within, that you finally get that clarity. I think you will get that clarity in the near future, that the one you are with right now, who offers you that kind of space and love, is going to bring about the best in you. Attraction here, you have to enjoy the moment you're in, like the feminine energy is smelling the flower here, right? It doesn't matter whether you're a rose or a marigold or a lotus or whatever. You're still beautiful, you're still worthy, you're still lovable, and the one you're asking or thinking about in the process is really attracted to you, is really wanting this thing to go forward, and they really want to, wow. You just have to keep it alive, both of you. I think now this is like the advice from spirit, because this was the past energies playing still in the head. This is the current suggestive, this is the future, and this is what we're discussing with the advice. So you both need to work ways, like try different things, together, different places, so that you can enjoy each moment. You can have fun each moment. You have those conversations delving deeper. Being on the beach, sitting down together, maybe going for, if you like mountains, maybe on the mountains, traveling together, conversing more, talking more, phone calls, emails, whatever, whichever way you're connecting, I don't know. Deceit is something which will not work, because if you will not pick the right one, if you will not choose the right one who makes you feel happy, healthy, and complete, then of course you will be very, very upset. And with the Magician here, you have all the tools, the skills that you need to make this work. That is what the unifying energy is for you guys together. With the King of Cups that we get here, and I see the Lovers, but I'm not taking that, but the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. So definitely this attraction is amazing. I'm sure, don't get me wrong, but could be like, again, I've got two feminine and masculine energies here. So yeah, someone here is not playing right. Let me be very honest. Very honest. Someone here is not playing right. You both have choices, masculine or feminine. The masculine also has choices, the feminine also has choices. But again, just make sure that you know the one who makes you feel right, makes you feel worthy, makes you love you more, is the right one. It's high time to see things for the way they are. if you really want to invite the sun in your life. That is how I see this. So whoever is watching, make sure there's a bigger mission attached to it. It is a secret language of the connection that you don't see as of now, but it's time that you start embracing and connecting with the source, and know that this is a very strong soul tie that has come your way, um, to take you to the higher levels as well, maybe to ascend you also in ways that will uncover so many learnings for you. And together you are meant to do certain things on the way that would bring about amazing changes. So just have faith, just trust the one who makes you feel great, amazing, beautiful, worthy. And see the red signs to identify with how you were treated in the past. And I'm sure it's going to be sorted. So I hope this works for you, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity, and if this resonates, do give us a like, share, and subscribe. See you. Bye.